Quick Filters for Parents. Watch and learn. Select the Parents button to access the Quick Filters. In the Quick Filters menu, use the drop-down to select your child's profile. Turn off or on any grades or activities by selecting them. Apply these selections. When you set Quick Filters, they limit what your child sees, but they will still be able to choose favorite activities, characters, and subjects. The activities displayed follow the Quick Filters you have set. You can change the Quick Filters setting anytime to quickly customize your child's learning experience. If you want to keep these settings, use the Save Quick Filters option and simply enter your password. Then select the Save Filters button. Now the settings are saved to your child's profile. Your Quick Filters will now reflect the saved filter settings. You will need to use the parent login, enter your password, and select Enter Parent mode to make any changes to the saved filters.